Altcoins are finally making their move. Total 2 just broke above $1.5 trillion in market cap. Make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you exactly what to expect and how high alts can go in this alt season. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know.
Diving into the charts with your favorite crypto bro, what we've got here is Bitcoin on the 1 week. Now on the 1 week chart, Bitcoin formed this inverse head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and it broke above the neckline. Now, Bitcoin's consolidating here and holding above 115K. So what we can expect is a move up to test 128 and 138 in the coming weeks, if not sooner. All right. Now, the measured move for this is actually up here at $161,000, but the top in this cycle could go as high as $173,000. Level to level, not financial advice. Now, let's take a look at the total 2, which is everything minus the market cap of Bitcoin. Now, what we have here is a really big deal with market cap breaking above 1.5 trillion. If you see this close above 1.5 trillion and start making a move up here to the 1.272 fib extension, that's 2.52 trillion, you're going to see altcoins make a move that will absolutely blow your mind. Okay? Now, what do I expect? I don't think we're going to go straight up to that level. I think that's the bullish target, and I think we can expect some consolidation and a pullback here to get into our favorite alts. But this is going to be the last stop before liftoff. You have to pay attention at this point in the cycle. What do I mean by that? Well, let's take a look. Bitcoin dominance. This is the key to understanding alt season.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
Bitcoin dominance, the market cap of BTC is finally breaking down. You see this big red candle? And it's actually holding this 50 moving average blue. All right, see how we got a fake out last time and it held the blue? What we want to see here for altcoins to make an even bigger move, we want to see this break below this blue moving average and slide down here and slowly grind all the way down to S3 for about over the next 5 or 6 months, okay? When we see that sort of move, alt season already began here in my opinion on this breakdown, and alt season is going to end down here around S3. So most people are going to be buying and selling, but don't get shaken out of really good alt positions. You want to look for these moves to happen over the next 5 months, okay? So we're going to watch that really closely, and I'll keep you posted on X at CryptoBroAlerts. Be sure to check that out. Now, let's look at Ethereum because this holds the key. Ethereum, I've had this pattern up here for I think a year, maybe longer. Basically, Ethereum's in this giant triangle pattern, all right? Now, you see it all over X and everywhere now, but this was a buy alert at 2100 on Ethereum. It's made a very swift move to the top of the trend line. Let me say this is a good move, but I'm expecting some consolidation here. Ethereum should do a minor pullback to anywhere from right around 3,000. If it does a deep pullback, it could actually go all the way to the SR flip around 2,800. Now, once Ethereum breaks up and out of this pattern, the upside target out of this triangle is as high as 11,700 per Ethereum. Now, let's take this level to level because right now all we're getting is a rejection on the weekly into this trend line. But if we got to move up into the higher time frame, like the 11,700, it would probably look something like this. A break up, a kickback, and it would test this previous high from 2021 top, pull back, and then make an eventual move up. Now there's targets all along the way because we've already hit the 3,600 target, but there's targets higher. For now, what do I expect with Ethereum? I'm actually expecting a little pull back. Let me explain what I mean by that. I think that Ethereum's gonna pull back down here and probably consolidate and then make a breakout move, all right? Do not sleep on Ethereum here because it's making big moves, and the altcoin market is gonna make a huge move, and we've got all these positive signs in the market right now. So pay attention, but you need to know this, no matter what. Whenever you see Total 2 reach this 2.48 trillion up into this fib extension, it's probably over and the music probably stops. So by that time, you're probably gonna wanna take a lot of profits and be back in a cash position to look out for the ensuing crash that always happens in altcoins at the end of every single bull run. Follow me, stay tuned, and I'll keep you up to date. Also check me out on X, and I'll see you soon in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list. We're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.